Hey guys, wanted to do a quick overview of the SPY going into next week. Just wanted to talk about a few levels, what I'm looking at for trading going into next week. So you can see here we've got the daily chart up. I guess starting from the bottom going up here. So we got bullish divergence on the daily chart. As you can see here, the SPY is definitely above the 21 um, on the daily. So I'm looking for that move up above that gray box, which is approximately um, 390, 393 for a continued move up. So we'll see how things open. So if I look at my flexible grid here, I've got the daily up 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. I'm mainly looking at the daily and the 4 hour. You can see here on the 9 EMA, SPY's above the 9 EMA and above the 21. So technically it looks bullish. On the 4 hour here, you can see we're above the 21 and the 9, but we are starting to show some bearish divergence on the 4 hour chart. So we'll see how things play out from that standpoint. If I pull up the daily here, you can see a little bit better because we got a lighter background. But essentially, if we do not get above that 393 level, that's going to be an area of resistance coming into the week. We could see downside, and what I have laid out, and we'll go to the 4 hour here. So talking about last week our low was 372-ish. So this in this gray area. So if we do get below that 372 area for the SPY, we could easily see 368, 368, 367. And then if we do get below that area, we can see 360 back to the low of 362. For calls, if the market is strong next week, we need to get above that 390 area first and hold. And then if we get above 390 and hold, we could easily see 393. And you can see this was a high as of last week, the previous week too. So this is a couple weeks ago. 393 is that high. If we get back up towards 393 and see resistance, we could, like I said before, come back down to the lows here. But we need a break of the 390 area, break and hold first to get up to 393. And then once we get up to 393, we're going to have to need a break and hold at that 393 level for us to see a continued move higher. So that being said, hopefully you grew your account last week, you took A+ setups, and you mitigated risk. And I will talk with you guys later.